A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School, Ward B, Standard 2nd. Second subject English, topic 3.9 Writing Skill, page number 47 and 48. Here understand students how to create soap bubbles. Let's see how we will create soap bubbles. For making soap bubbles, things we need: half a spoon of detergent powder, half a glass of water, then sheet of paper, sellotape, and a spoon to stir. Now let's see how to make a see the method. First one, add half a spoon of detergent powder in the glass of water. Second, roll the sheet of paper to make a straw. Third, fix the straw using the cello tape. Dip one end of the paper straw in the soap water mixture. Blow air through the other dry end of the paper straw. You will see soap bubbles being formed. Now here students, now write the instruction to make a lemonade. Use the following words and phrases to write the method in your notebook. So let's see easy homemade lemonade. How make lemonade, okay? Things you need for making lemonade: juice of half a lemon, a pinch of salt, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 glass of water. And use these words: add, mix, stir, take. Now see, have a look how to make a lemonade. Making lemonade. Ingredients: lemons, water, sugar. First, squeeze the juice out of the lemons. Second, put the lemon juice in a pitcher. Third, fill up the pitcher with water. Fourth, add sugar. Fifth, and at last stir it. Okay? Now, how do you think this lemonade will taste? Yummy, na? Okay. Let's see the method how to make lemonade. First, add juice if half of a lemon in the glass of water. Add a pinch of salt to it. Add 2 spoons of sugar and mix it with a spoon. Then stir it for a minute. You will see your tasty lemonades is ready to drink. Now next one, read and understand. Fruits are good for health. I like to eat apples, mangoes, grapes, pineapples, pears, and guavas. Eating fruits will keep you strong, healthy, and active. And here, students, this is punctuation mark like full stop, comma. This is one is also comma. This one is also comma, comma, full stop, comma, full stop. So these full stop, comma, these are the punctuation marks. What are these? These are the punctuation marks. So have a look, students. Separate words of same series and give a soft pause while reading. So these are the punctuations, students. See, look the picture, question mark, inverted comma, okay, comma. See, these are the punctuation marks. Okay, let's list down the things in our classroom using commas. Okay, so let's list down. Our classroom has a blackboard, comma, cupboard, comma, desk, comma, bench, comma, table, comma, chair, comma, dustbin, comma, chart, comma, duster, comma, poster, comma, and projector. Okay. Now let's do the exercise, students. Write the instruction to make a lemonade. Okay, here, students. How to make lemonade. Things you need. Choose words from the box and fill in the blanks. So see the yellow box. Pinch, 2 spoons, water, lemon. Okay. Now juice of half a lemon, 2 spoons of sugar, a pinch of salt, and last one is 1 glass of water. Now next, students, confusion. The instruction for making lemonade are given in a jumbled order below. Now what you have to do? You have to arrange and write them in their correct order. So these are the instruction given here and you have to arrange and write them in their correct order. So let's solve the exercise. Okay. Now here this instruction is given step by step. Now let's read it. Come on. First one. Take a glass of water. Second, 2 spoons of sugar. Third, add a pinch of salt. Fourth, stir the mixture well. The juice of half a lemon to it. Lemonade is ready for you to drink. Okay, students. So these steps, these we arrange in proper order. Okay, list 7 or 8 things in your classroom using commas where necessary. So, our classroom has a blackboard, a table, benches, desks, a cupboard, a dustbin, books. Here will come books. So, we add here S. Okay. Now, next is comma. Okay. Notebooks, chalks and duster. Okay. So, here these are the commas. Okay, these are the comma, comma, comma. Okay. Okay, now project for you students. Write the recipe of your favorite dish, list the ingredients, the different things that go into the dish. Find out from where each ingredient comes. So, you have to do this project at home. Okay, you have to write ingredients, recipe, where the ingredients come from. Okay. I hope you understood this chapter, students. Okay. Thank you and have a nice day, students.